Bruv, what you saying, man? What you saying?
I'm good, man. What you saying?
Nah, I'm good, man. I'm just trying to finish off this essay before the deadline, man. I've got like an hour and a half left, but I'm not even halfway through.
Don't worry, bro. You're gonna get it first anyway, like you always do. Don't worry, man. I know you'll figure it out.
Bruv, are you for real?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Where's your manners? No, for real. Pause for a second and let me just show you exactly what you look and you sound like right now, okay? Just give me a second, let me just pull it up. Bro, no cap, this is exactly what you look and sound like when you're eating with your mouth open, fam. Eat like a human being, fam. Stop eating like an animal, fam. Forget all of that, yeah? Listen. I got a banging track for you, yeah? I got a banging track for you that I just made about 2 days ago.
too busy
fam.
right now.
I'm not
I
even
can't.
kidding.
I can't.
No cap.
Please,
I beg you, please. Alright. I'm telling you, if it doesn't make you get out of your seat and go crazy, bro,
Alright.
I'm putting go to it then.
Bro,
Just listen to this
Okay,
track, fam.
fair
Listen,
enough.
just
I'll-
listen,
let
fam.
me
Just
see.
listen. Alright. You just tell me what you think, fam. Just tell me what you think. Bro, I need to get up, fam. I need to get up, fam.